I proclaim we will be going out. Because you know what? I came prepared. Boom! Umbrella. We can see we want. Where? Let's go to the very, very beginning. Also, I don't know why I'm walking so fast. I literally am on my own time. I don't know why I'm walking so fast. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here. These are so cute.
Ryan, order ready!
Hi, good morning. Oh, ikaw po yung mo.
Yeah, Maya.
Oh, nero nga.
Are you up from here or visiting?
And gusto ko halim. I'm from California.
California? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh,
Oh,
nice. Yeah, my family's from California too.
Oh, yeah?
I married and moved here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, good. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, okay, so you living here?
No, gusto ko halim sa.
Oh, no, just by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, so
okay.
gusto Hyominji like yeah.
Wow, we're here so early.
Yeah, because I was like I wanted to get an early start. I didn't but kanya ko kaysa.
Yeah, we just opened like about not even a year ago.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
April. Yeah.
Oh.
Opened up. Yeah. But we've been at the market like selling like on side like this for a long time, but then we got the permit call.
To like
about last April. So not quite a year yet for us, but yeah, we're still figuring things out.
okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but good. Yeah, we're always here.
Okay.
So stop by.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
Yeah.
So it was just really nice to see my fellow Hmong people. I saw somebody say that there's a photo booth somewhere by Pike's place. I just happened to walk in here, but I found it. And I'm thinking of going to get a coffee or something where I can just sit down, because I think the market's not, it's open at 8, but I feel like it's not really like popping until maybe 10, and then maybe later I can go to Beechers. Well, let's go this way then. I guess so. Wade in the water. That's a song I would sing for choir in what, like 3rd grade? Can you even see me? Hey, good morning. Oh, interesting. So this is the Starbucks Reserve. The very first Starbucks, I believe. Yeah, I definitely came at the wrong time this morning. I came way too early. This is where I want to go. It's called Beechers. I'm gonna get the original mac and cheese. We're gonna try this. I was just here. 8 ounce. Can you focus? There we go. This is Beechers. This is perfect. Perfect snack. And I have live entertainment over there. Piano live. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you really fuck some mac and cheese. Yeah, of course. Ooh. Hi. You don't mind if I record my little vlog, right? Okay. Wow. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. I like this one. I also want to include that I did go to the Seattle Art Museum downtown and then the Asian Art Museum up near Capitol Hill. And I didn't really have, I don't have too much footage because when I enter those spaces, I want to be respectful of just the art in general and others around me. I don't want to just be recording the whole time because I really just love being there in those spaces. So I want to enjoy myself as well. I think there's a sort of balance that I want to have when it comes to content and creating, especially when it comes to art. I don't want to just be holding a camera up the whole time. And most of the footage would have just been me standing there for a good 5 to 10 minutes. So, but I do highly recommend going to those places if you are in Seattle. And my favorite thing about the Asian Art Museum specifically is the captions or the descriptions of the art pieces. I feel like they did go a bit more in depth of
just the history, and they gave you a lot more information to be educated on what it was teaching about, because there was a lot of religion or spirituality in that museum. So, highly recommend. It was a beautiful experience.
Okay, I got my DoorDash. I got sushi because I just did not want to walk anymore. And just want to stay in tonight. But look how fancy this bag is. Oh, you can't even see it. Like, show. But you know what? We're gonna go eat right here. So we can have a nice view. I don't think my TV works. Does it? If it does, maybe we can watch Bridgerton. Yes! Oh my gosh, okay, so we're gonna actually... Girl. Hell yeah.